for wardrobe remix. So these are the Lewin gray waffle knit joggers. I don't know if you guys can see, they kind of has a little stain there. They have cargo pockets in the front, has two pockets in the back, and this is what they look like. These are a perfect blank slate to go ahead and tie-dye. Okay, so here is that black Gap dress. It's just short sleeve. Like I said, it has a rib texture and it is a little bit below the knee. So it's a great, nice, modest length. I think it would be really cool bleach dyed. So this is the black dress. This is the before. All right, let's get to the DIYs. So here are the materials you're gonna need. I have my bleach, my tie-dye kit. I'm gonna use one of these old squeegee bottles from like dish soap because it has a nice little nozzle that you can squeeze out of, make it easier. Have a funnel here. And then of course you're gonna want rubber gloves. You wanna make sure you're well ventilated. Goggles if you need. I'm going to do like that much water. I know some people say 1 part water, 2 parts bleach. I'm just gonna go eyeball it and make sure you're wearing clothes that you don't care if they get messed up, because just in case. Ooh, oh, okay. That looks like a lot. Oh wow. Okay. Back to the side. So once you have your bleach solution, gonna mix it up, and then I'm gonna get my dress and wet it. Alright, I scrunched it. Okay, here we go. We're just gonna, oh gosh, oh this is scary. Whoa, oh it's turning already. Let it sit on there. I don't even know if you guys are gonna be able to see the change. Ah! Do you see that? See it changing color. Oh, this doesn't even do it justice. It's changing color. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ah, that's cool. Whoa. Do you see it? Whoa. Don't want to leave it on too long. Whoa. Can you guys see that? But there's a bit spot right there that's kind of like, there's not much on the back. So I think I want to focus on scrunching up this middle part. Flipping it over, there's not much bleach on the back. And let it sit. Wait for the rest of it to change. It's so crazy how quickly this stuff changes. I'll scrunch it a little. Front. Yeah, that's looking cool. Just do a little bit more. Okay. to develop. And to run clear. Okay, I'm gonna wring this out and then put it in the washer and dryer. Okay, this is the guy kit I got. I got the One Step Tulip Tie-Dye Moody Blues. I wanted to do something like that. So, add water. I'm just gonna follow the instructions on here that say add water, apply dye, wrap, let sit for 6 to 8 hours, and rinse. Dye up to 9 projects. So let's bust into this sucker. So again, just gonna wet down my clothes, my pants, and then I got the water in there. So let's just shake it until it's dissolved. Wet. And I know the whole shibori technique, you're supposed to like roll it over a roll or something, but I don't have that. So what I'm thinking of doing, fold it like this. And take some of the rubber bands that they provide. Totally making this up. I hope this is like in my head. I feel like this is what would work. I have no idea if this is actually going to work and come out the way I want. That's the whole beauty of tie-dye. Like, you just never know. Running it down just helps the dye seep in too. Gotta use another rubber band. That's what I have there. Here's my little tray. I need to check to make sure the dye is all dissolved. Kind of looks like it. Pick it up some more. Like, it's so dark I can't even tell. Guess I'd look, see if there's any powder. Okay. Now I guess you just go to town. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's already like coming off of the thing. Whoa, look how dark that is. Ah! Oh my gosh. Ooh, this is a lot. Ooh, this is a lot. Oh god. I like still want some white showing through. I hope that there's still like white showing through. I feel like there will be because oh man. Or the way that I folded it. I'm trying to just go over the top part. Oh man. I hope it's not like there's no white. I hope that there's still white left. Well. Okay, so I'm using that much. I can see areas that are a little white, but I'm kind of gonna leave them. Let's see. Alright, let's put that cap back on. Oh my gosh, my hands, my gloves. Okay, if Wendy and Letitia did this. Oh my gosh. This is really... No, my rubber band came off. Oh my gosh. Okay. Why is there so much extra dye? Is it supposed to do that? I've never tie-dyed before, to be honest. Like, to be all the way honest, I've never tie-dyed before. Okay. I need to get my cling wrap now. Alright. Got the cling wrap. Not sponsored. Oh my goodness. There's a lot of dye left. I guess I should dye something else. I don't really have anything else to dye. It's gonna need a lot. This is about to go in a plastic bag. Got it in my Target bag. Just gonna tie it up like this. Put another bag in it. Tie that up. I need to now take my gloves off and grab one last bag. And I think it says what, 6 to 8 hours or something like that. Ooh. I'm like, I don't want to dye my hands. And I'm just like, this is a lot of dye left. Like, I didn't even use half a bottle. I used not even half. There's still more than half left. I'm like, should I dye something else? I don't know. Ooh, I think I will. I'm gonna go grab something. I have a t-shirt. I think I'm gonna do that too. Since I have more dye left, I'm gonna do this t-shirt. It has chocolate stain right on the chest. But I think I'm gonna do this as well. Okay, so the technique that I'm using is like just kind of scrunched it and rolled it, knotted it up. Oh, I didn't wet it. Let's see what happens. This is not wetted. The material is not wet. So I want to see what the difference is. This looks crazy. Oh, this is a gray background. It looks like, oh yeah, it looks blue, but it looks really dark. Okay, we're down to the last of it. Okay, use that up. And that looks better in the front. Let's do a little bit of that. Oh yeah, there's going to be a lot of... It's going to be different when it's wet versus it's dry. I feel like, I don't know, it definitely saturated it more, but maybe I had more dye. Okay, let's get the bags. Alright, and we will see those in the morning. Good night! Okay, this is so sick. Like, this is so dope. Look at this! Look at this! Oh, it's so cool. Now, I feel like I'm seeing more dye come out than on the pants. Probably because with it being dry versus the pants that were wet, it was really able to absorb and soak in the dye. Ooh, I can't wait. I am so excited. You guys have no idea. Tie-dye is so satisfying and scary and It's just fun. You just don't know what it's gonna look like. All right, gonna wring these out, put them in the washer and the dryer. Okay guys, so this is the tie-dyed gray tee. I'm wearing it right now. It actually has been a couple weeks since I did the tie-dye and bleach dye. If you can't tell, I actually went ahead and cut all my hair off. So, in case you were wondering why I look so different, that's why. But yeah, this is the gray tie-dye t-shirt. Here is how the pants turned out. I mean, I was so thrilled. Literally exactly how I wanted them. Exactly how I wanted them. And then the bleach dye dress looks like this. And then I did 2 more bonus items that I did actually the other day. I had this 14th and Union gray maxi skirt that I had got from Plato's Closet a couple years ago, and it was in my bag of upcycle stuff, so I went ahead and bleach dyed this. Love the way that this turned out. It looks really cool. Bohemian kind of reminds me of something you would find at Free People. And then I did this hoodie. This is probably the only thing out of everything that I've tie-dyed and bleach dyed that I'm like not 100% happy with the outcome, because I tried to bleach and tie-dye this. I was going for the whole like ombre effect where the bottom was really light and then like the tie-dye color was in the middle, but I didn't realize that this is not 100% cotton. This is a cotton and polyester blend. So because of that, it didn't really do anything. The bleach kind of just, I don't know, ate away at the fabric a little bit. Like there are some areas where the fabric seems a little bit weaker and like a little bit lighter, but not enough to see like a real difference to me anyways. But yeah, that's how this turned out. I'm not really happy with it. It doesn't have the right, at least it just didn't turn out the way I wanted it to. So thank you guys so much for watching. That's it for this episode of Wardrobe Remix. If you want to see more upcycling, DIY fashion, and thrifting videos, then make sure you go ahead and hit subscribe. Don't forget to ring that bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. And as always guys, thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see y'all next time. Bye!